Hello, everybody. I'm here today to talk about I love Kim Possible a lot and her OC. It's light turquoise bluish and have very big eyes and a cute look. It's very cute and definitely a bit unique in search of other OCs I've seen. Also, her hair is quite unique. She has this line that goes in front of her eyes, so it looks like she has hair there. Her mane is brown and yellow. Most of the time, I think that those two colors don't mix that good together, but in this case, I will say that it goes very well to her look in overall. She also have light blue eyes, and she mixes the backgrounds of her videos. She also have this obsession with Discord, and I think that is very funny, and I think you should go and see her. Her cutie mark is Kim Possible, that is smiling and making sexy face and stuff like that on cards. So yeah, I'm guessing the cutie mark is the same thing as she likes. She analyzes pony stuff, and also I think she talks a little bit about Kim Possible and why she kept her username and stuff like that. But I'm going to link down below to her, and you have a great day. Bye.